Hello, future engineers. There is a video in structural analysis, particularly on continuous beams, continuous and indeterminate beams with support settlements and rotations. So this is a very comprehensive problem, and I hope that you can follow the explanations and solutions because this is a very rare problem, and I uploaded this because I solved this in multiple methods, and this is the third method by the slope deflection equations. So here is the problem. By slope deflection equations, determine the external reactions at B. Support downward movements at B, we have 8 mm, at C 5 mm, at D 3 mm, at E 9 mm, and E rotates at the same time 0.002 radians counterclockwise. The modulus of elasticity 200 gigapascals, and the moment of inertia for the beam is 600 times 10 to the 6 mm to the fourth. So we denote label the deflections as shown. So at B we have 8 mm, at C 5 mm, at C 5 mm, at D 3 mm, at E 9 mm. At the same time, it rotates 0.002 counterclockwise as shown, so that the farther deflection, the relative deflection between D and E would be, so since E is going down 9 mm, this is only 3 mm, so there is 6 mm difference between D and E. Then plus this rotation, uh, we have downward deflection here farther, which is equal to the slope, which is 0.002 radians times 6 meters, then plus 0.006, where 0.006 meter is 9 minus 3 mm as shown. So we have here 0.002 slope times 6 meters, the gap between D and E, then plus the uh, deflection at E, which is 6 mm downward, greater than that of D. So that makes it 0.018 meter overall. So we then set up the slope deflection equation in MBC. It is an interior span, so therefore 2EI over L, quantity 2 theta near, which is theta B, plus theta far, theta C, minus 3 times relative deflection between B and C, clockwise positive, counterclockwise rotation uh, negative over L, then plus fixed moment at the near end B, which is by integration due to the load is negative. The moment in BC is negative 28 times 2 times 1, so negative 56. So negative 56 equals, by the way, EI is 200,000 kilopascals times 600 times 10 to the 6 divided by 1000 to the fourth. So that gives us 120,000 kilonewton meters square for the moment of inertia of the beam. So this is E, and it settles as shown. Then we extend that supposedly from three moment equation, but this is slope deflection equation. We don't need to do that, so don't mind. That was from three moment equation, solution by three moment equations. So MBC again is negative 56 equals 2 times 120,000 over 8 span. Quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 times negative 0.003. It's negative because the chord joining B and C is rotating counterclockwise. Sign convention for slope deflection, remember, is clockwise positive. And the relative displacement is 3 mm, 8 minus 5, 3 mm. So it's negative 0.003 here over 8. Then minus fixed moment, BC is, imagine there's a strip here, this distance is x, so integral of negative integral of 28 dx, x times quantity 8 minus x square over 8 square. Simplifying, negative 56 equals 60,000 theta b plus 30,000 theta c. Then this is positive. You distribute 33.75. Then this integral is negative 126.693. Combining and simplifying, we have 60,000 theta b plus 30,000 theta c is equal to 36.943. Call that equation A. We then set up MCB, so the shortcut is we just interchange coefficients 30,000 theta B plus 60,000 theta C, then plus 33.75, then plus integral, we interchange the squared factor. So 28 dx x square 8 minus x over 8 square as shown in this equation. So 30,000 theta B plus MCB, 60,000 theta C plus 33.75 plus integral 28 dx x squared, quantity 8 minus x over 8 square. So combining and simplifying, MCB is 30,000 theta B plus 60,000 theta C plus 111.224. So call that equation 1. Then we proceed to MCD. It is 2 times 120,000 over L4, quantity 2 theta C plus theta D, then minus 3 times, again we have 0.002, negative 0.002, counterclockwise rotation. Net relative displacement is 2 mm. This is 5 mm minus 3, 2 mm. The chord rotates counterclockwise, so it's negative in the slope deflection equation over L4. The negative fixed end moment, negative 28 times 2, 2 square over 4 square for the formula. MCD is equal to 120,000 theta C plus 60,000 theta D. Then that's positive 90. This is negative 14. So combining, that's 76. MCD is 120,000 theta C plus 60,000 theta D plus 76. And for MDC, we just interchange 60,000 theta C plus 120,000 theta D, then 90 plus, because this is positive 14, so 104. So MCD 60,000 theta C plus 120,000 theta D plus 104. Equation 3, then moment DE is 2 times 120,000 over 6, quantity 2 theta D plus slope, which is negative because it's counterclockwise, sign convention, remember. Theta, this is theta E, negative 0.002. Then the relative rotation is we have from D to E, we have rotation which is clockwise, 3 mm, this is 9 mm, so that would be 6 mm, and this is treated positive, so minus 3 times positive 0.006 over 6. By the way, this is from 3-moment equation solution. Then minus fixed end moment dE, which is W, negative W, L square over 30, negative 36, 6, negative 36 times L square, 6 square over 30. And that would be MDE, 80,000 theta D, minus 80, when we distribute minus 120, then minus 43.2. So MDE is 80,000 theta D minus 243.2. Call that equation 4. And finally, MED, it is supposedly times 2 of this, so 100, so 40,000 theta D. Then there's no, we already calculated this. So minus 160 because this is doubled 2 times negative 0.002. If you set up uh, slope deflection equations, then this is still minus 120, that value there. Then this is now 64.8 because the formula becomes 36 6 square over 20 fixed moment ED. So you get 64.8, 36 6 square over 20 fixed moment formula for triangular loading. Simplifying, that's equal to 40,000 theta d minus 215.2, equation 5. Then we apply equilibrium for joint C, that is MCB plus MCD equals 0. MCB, which is equation 1, then MCD equation 2, adding, combining. So that would be 30,000 theta B plus 180,000 theta C plus 60,000 theta D equals negative 187.224. Again, that's equation 1 plus equation 2, adding, then equate to 0. This is the result. Then at D, MDC plus MDE equals 0. That is equation 3 plus equation 4 equals 0. So that would be 60,000 theta C plus 200,000 theta D equals 139.2, equation C. Then solving simultaneously equations A, B, and C, we get theta B equals 1.4574 times 10 to the negative 3. Theta C negative 1.68337 times 10 to the negative 3. And theta D 1.20101 times 10 to the negative 3. We then compute moment at C, or moment CB, into this equation MCD, because that's a moment at C. 120,000 theta C, that's theta C, plus 60,000 theta D, that's theta D, then plus 76 from equation 2. So MCD is negative 53.944 kilonewton meter. Then let's apply that there. So it is, for BC, it is counterclockwise because it's negative. So it's clockwise. MCD counterclockwise, but MCB is clockwise, as shown. So we can now compute reaction at B by taking moment about C, considering ABC. So reaction at B times 8 plus 53.944 equals 28 times 7, then moment arm 6.5. So By times 8 plus 53.944 equals 128 times 7 times 6.5. Solving for By equals 152.507, just like before, kilonewtons. Bx is 0, of course. So that's it for this video.